So this video will go through the REPD components of your integrated task with English, and they're focused on more how can we help those in need. So as you know, you're connecting this with a long walk to water, and you're investigating a problem affecting the people of Sudan and then presenting an action plan. So what can we do in our lives to help make a difference for those people? How can we be a keeper of the flame and live out our Catholic teachings? So your plan, and here you've got the two components, but we're looking at a call to action. So in this, you need to present to your audiences a way that they can act. You need to link it with your Catholic social teachings. It does say the 10 Commandments, and if you really sit and think about those, if you can see that they still have meaning for today, but you just need to look beyond the very literal interpretation of those. I would suggest probably going with your Catholic social teachings that you can find through the Caritas website. Your assignment will allow us to see your understanding that we all share a responsibility to help those who don't have the same freedoms as us. It's really looking at what are our responsibilities as Christians, and then seeing that our actions show the person we are, our values, and how we can affect people positively or negatively through those actions and interactions. We'd like you to show your knowledge in designing a proposal. So it needs to be plausible. It needs to be something that we can all do that is actually achievable to have a positive impact. And also, we'd like to see your ability to use different technology to present information in different ways. This is a criteria, and you'll see it's got highlighted on there where we will be looking for these criteria. And your research booklet comes up twice. So just by completing a thorough investigation and using a range of scripture passages. So a range means I would have a Bible passage, I would have connections to Catholic social teachings. I think here you could even look at these 10 Commandments and pick out ones that we can bring forward into our lives today. And these three relate mostly to your script, so you need to show the steps. You can't just throw out an idea, this is what we should do. Talk us through the steps that we can achieve in order to reach that goal. Identify the consequences. So what will be the result? How will this help our morals? And in this one, you're going through the designing, and it needs to be reflective of your chosen issue. So just in summary, you need to conduct thorough research. You need to know the chosen issue. You need to know the church teachings in order to come up with your proposal. You need to use the provided templates so that you can work through your idea. And in that way, you'll be able to show that you know and understand the impact that this issue has on communities, and also what our responsibilities are as Christians and as global citizens, and also then show your skill at using technology. All the best and good luck.